Alright, ladies and gentlemen, we're starting the day today. It's a new weekend after the Aussie Day long weekend because parts didn't arrive in time. Still waiting for the gearbox jack from eBay, still hasn't rocked up. Over 2 weeks late, kinda not happy about that. But we're gonna move on today, so I'm about to head out into the shed. I've borrowed a gearbox jack. Rudy, you're a bloody legend. Got an engine crane off somebody else, so this weekend's plan is to remove the gearbox, the engine, diff and the fuel tank. So let's see how far we get. Perfect. Mint.
Abrázame toda la noche, no nos queda mucho tiempo más. No quiero perder lo que queda. Seguimos siempre la pasión y confiamos solo en el amor. Yeah. No quiero perder lo que queda. Y más allá, a través de la gran oscuridad, hasta que me convierta en rayos. Y más allá, a través de la gran oscuridad. Y más vencemos el número en solo.
Say when. Oh, a bolt, isn't it? Holding it fucking orange.
A través de la gran oscuridad y más allá.
Alright, ladies and gentlemen, I'm going to wrap this episode up here. So as you can see behind me, the motor's on the stand, ready to go. I'm going to start stripping that down in the next couple of weeks. I've also just picked up another project because apparently I don't have enough on already. So yeah, stay tuned for that one as well. But yeah, the next couple of videos we're going to be stripping down this Barra, or at least for the Barra series, we're going to be stripping down the Barra now that we've ripped it out and going through what we've damaged. We're going to go through what I'm going to do to it, and we're going to start ordering some parts and getting some bits and get it back to a nice, healthy running situation. So stay tuned. Please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Make sure you've subscribed and hit the bell button to this channel. This is the new channel. The old channel had a few issues, so I can't reiterate that enough because I've got to get the sub count back up just so I can get the custom URL back. So please do that, and we'll see you all in the next videos, and there's a lot more exciting content to come. So thanks again, guys, and we'll see you in the next video.